Hello, my name is Sanmartin. I am from the 10B, and in this video I'm going to explain the vocabulary and the grammar. First, we have the vocabulary, travel adventure. In this grammar we have go backpacking, que en español significa ir de viaje con una mochila. Go on a cruise, que significa ir en un crucero. Go ballooning significa ir en un globo aerostático. Go mountain biking es andar en una bicicleta de montaña. Go rafting es hacer rafting. Go on a safari es ir a un zoológico. Go sailing es navegar en un barco pequeño. Go to summer camp es ir a un campamento de verano, and go rock climbing es escalar rocas. Second, we have the grammar with already, just, and yet. We use this grammar to talk about for recent events. Example with just. I just ate dinner. We use just when we talk about more recently events, like an hour ago or just that moment. Now with already. Samantha already did her homework. We use already to talk about not 10 recently events, like a month ago or a week before. Now with yet. Have you cleaned the table yet? No, I don't do it yet. We use yet to talk about something that has not yet happened but is set to happen in not too distant future. Thanks.